We're going to take a quick look at a 2021 Homag Edgeteq T-200 contour Edgebander. It can handle material from 10 to 55 millimeters thick, banding from 1/2 to 3 millimeters, and has variable speeds from 3 to 9 meters a minute, and that is handled by a variable frequency drive. Very clean machine. It does have a hanger for your foot pedal, which is really nice. These are gonna be your material standoffs. You do have a funnel for your glue pot, your wrenches. We do have the manuals for this machine. Really easy to use touch screen. And again, if we look, it is just really clean. Take a look at that glue pot real quick. Again, not a ton of use on this bander. If you have any questions or comments, you can reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com, or you give us a call at 630-229-6705. Again, thank you for tuning in to 360 Degree, helping you buy with confidence.